If you've ever wondered how to draw in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the two main ways to create drawings in Tinkercad, whether you want to sketch something freehand or turn an existing image into a 3D model. This is perfect for beginners, students, makers, and anyone who wants to bring a simple idea to life fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first and easiest method is the Scribble tool. This is the closest thing Tinkercad has to real drawing. To find it, go to the Basic Shapes panel on the right side of the screen and look for Scribble. Drag it onto the work plane, and as soon as you do that, a drawing screen will open. This is a 2D sketchpad where you can use your mouse or trackpad to draw whatever shape you want. Now, the Scribble tool is great for making handwritten text, custom outlines, simple icons, or even rough sketches that you want to turn into a 3D object. If you make a mistake while drawing, you can use the eraser tool to clean things up. You can also use the shape tool to fill in larger areas or make your drawing smoother and more solid. Take your time here, because the cleaner your sketch is, the better your final 3D result will look. Once you're happy with your drawing, click Done in the bottom right corner. Tinkercad will instantly convert your 2D sketch into a 3D object on the work plane. From here, you can resize it, rotate it, move it around, or combine it with other shapes just like any other Tinkercad object. And if you want to make changes later, just click the object and choose Edit Scribble to reopen the sketch and refine it. Now let's look at the second method, which is perfect if you already have a drawing, logo, or image that you want to bring into Tinkercad. This method uses SVG Import. If your drawing is on paper, first take a clear photo of it. Then use a free online converter to turn that image into an SVG file. SVG files are especially useful because Tinkercad can read the outlines and turn them into a solid model. To import it, click the Import button in the top right corner of Tinkercad. Then select your SVG file and upload it. Once Tinkercad processes the file, it will convert the lines of your drawing into a 3D shape that you can place on the work plane. This is a great option for logos, symbols, custom artwork, and any sketch you want to reuse in a more polished design. If you're trying to decide which method to use, here's the simple rule. Use Scribble if you want to draw directly inside Tinkercad. Use SVG Import if you already have a drawing or want to convert a finished image into a model. Both methods are very beginner-friendly, and both can save you a lot of time compared to building every detail from basic shapes. A few quick tips before you go. First, keep your Scribble drawings simple if you want them to convert cleanly. Second, use a clear, high-contrast image when converting artwork to SVG. Third, after importing or drawing, always zoom in and check the edges so you can make small adjustments if needed. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment, because Tinkercad is all about learning by doing. So that's how to draw in Tinkercad using the Scribble tool and SVG Import. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to make next in Tinkercad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.